So we're here today at the Alternative Asset Summit here in Scottsdale, Arizona with Nathan Turner. Nathan, if you could just introduce yourself for the viewers that don't know you.
Certainly. Yeah, my name is Nathan Turner. I'm from Canada. I have been a note investor since 2009. Everything I do is in the U.S. I'm here today looking for investors for my fund.
Here at the Alternative Asset Summit put on by Directed IRA, a lot of IRA investors looking for tangible assets outside the stock market. Maybe if you could just touch on that, why it's a benefit for an IRA investor to ultimately diversify their portfolio.
Is such a great way to diversify, to make sure you've got those multiple streams of income in your IRA. You're growing it tax-free. It's such a great investment. And
absolutely.
Set it and forget it. You don't have to think about it. You can take the distribution into your IRA. You can reinvest it and have a compound. There's all kinds of things you can do.
So passive, stable returns. You get a secured lien on title. Those are things to understand when acquiring a note, right? Opposed to the alternatives of a lot more sweat equity and things of that nature, trying to create relationships of lending. You could acquire a note, exactly. Ultimately receive an income-oriented investment strategy, so monthly principal and interest checks.
Right.
So met Nathan out at the Diversified Mortgage Expo. It's great to see out at different conferences and make different connections, build community base. That's important out in real estate investing. Maybe if you could just touch lightly on Diversified Mortgage Expo.
Yeah, so I took over the conference a few years ago. It is all about relationships. And so when I was presented with the opportunity to take over the conference, because it's all about relationships, it was a perfect fit for me. So you go out to the multiple ones, come out to mine, come out to different ones, meet people, talk to people. That face-to-face interaction is just absolutely key.
It's super important. What people do business with the people they know, like, and trust at the end of the day. What better way to do that to come out and talk to prolific investors out in the market operating in different strategies. You can invest in notes, you can invest in gold and silver, you can invest in residential property of a long-term real estate investment strategy. So it's great to see as the investor, the IRA investor, the different buckets of investments to secure a passive return, stability in the markets of question. What better way to do that than in note investing?
Yeah, and it's an important thing to make sure you've got those multiple streams. So, put some
100%.
money into the notes, put some money into gold, put some money into, a REIT, whatever. But make sure you've got that spread out and you can just enjoy that income from different sources at different times.
Diversification, key to diversify, not be heavy in one asset, heavy in high risk. You want some low risk in your portfolio at the end of the day to be adequately diversified. So again, we're here at the Alternative Asset Summit. Nathan Turner,
Hey.
appreciate having you here
Good
today.
to see you.
Bam, bam, bam.